Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's move to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side to the settings button to open the advanced camera settings. And here at the second place we have the shooter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's move back to the camera and take another picture. Now, as you can hear, the sound is turned off. And of course, to turn it on, once again we have to go back to the right corner settings, then to the left, and pick this button once again. So for now, we can hear the sound. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.